Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome puzzle.
So the first thing you want to do is make sure your design is loaded up into your Glowforge. And when you buy this file, and I can send you the link of where I purchased it, but all the letters are going to be over to the right hand side. So you can just input every single letter that you're going to use, and these will cut out the wood letters, which you can send with them. And if you're using the acrylic letters, just make sure you pull those out as well and put them on the bottom. And I'm actually going to cut the acrylic first, and I always cut it 160 and full. All right, so currently it is cutting out the letters with acrylic, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done first. Now that we have our acrylic letters cut, we are going to put in our piece of Baltic birch and come on over to our computer and cut that. And right now it is scanning, so it does not recognize that my wood is in there yet, but it will in a few seconds. I have this top layer set to cut, as well as the bottom layer and all the letters, and then the little cute animals are set. All right, that is now complete. Let's go ahead and take it out. And our next step will be putting the scrapbook paper behind here. So you can just go to Google and kind of search for any kind of scrapbook paper that you like. I chose like an animal print theme. And then I do laminate them. If you do not have a laminator, that's not a big deal. And if you don't want to put anything on the back, you don't have to. So I have all the different colors that I want to use. And what I'm going to do is kind of just throw one under here and line it up and just make sure it is where I need it to be. And then glue them down. All right, now the puzzle is done and you can put your pieces in. And they can use the wood pieces that came with or the acrylic pieces. The acrylic pieces you can kind of see through, and the wood ones I just sand with them anyways because I had to cut them out when I made the design.